friends and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today's video is all about the amazing fact that how the Apple AirPod earbud went through a horrible obstacle process, but still it's working in a perfect proper way. Do stay along with me to know what all happened and how it started working. If you're new to the channel, do like, share and don't forget to hit the red icon, that is the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Okay guys, now let's come to the point. What actually happened? This is the Apple AirPod. It has two earbuds. This tiny little small earbud was left in my dad's pocket, which was forgotten. This thing went to the washing machine. It was there for an 1 hour wash, and later the pant with the left AirPod was put to the 100% dryer, where the clothes are dried to 100% in full heat. Later, when the 100% dried pant was taken out from the dryer, we got to know that this was in the pocket. Then what to do? This tiny little thing was kept in the dry humid box like this. Okay, and finally, when this AirPod was taken from the dry humid box and we were just praying that it works perfect, we just put to the charging case, it showed that it is charging. Then I put to my ears, it was working absolutely fine. That is the level of build quality of the Apple. This is a non-waterproof earbud and still it is working 100% properly after going to hot water, soap water and extreme heat, and just it was kept for about 12 hours in the dry humid box. Now it is working perfect. This is the amazing fact of the Apple AirPod that I wanted to tell you guys. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share to your friends and family.